Hey everyone, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Millions of dogs get overlooked every single year at the shelters because people can't see the real beauty of the dog underneath all that matted fur. Wahl, Greater Good Charities, and the Animal Rescue Site have teamed up for the 13th Dirty Dogs Contest, presenting the top 10 shelter dog makeovers in America. Your turn to vote to decide the top 3 winners. You can vote for your favorite dog once a day until May 31st. Just visit dirtydogscontest.com.